Good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little quick video tour on this Catalina Trail Blazer, little multi-use vehicle, or better known as a toy hauler. This one is the 26TH. We're going to start here in the front with the electric jack, extra large propane tanks. You've got the toy lock here, so you can lock your stuff outside, be it bicycles, kayaks, or quads, whatever you've got going on. Nice large pass-through front compartment. Power awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Outdoor speakers with additional power out here if you want to catch the game outside. Coming inside, one thing you're going to find about this little guy, they're the only ones on the market that offer an outdoor patio surround setup on a trailer this size. Everybody else, you've got to get into the big full toy haulers to do that. And look at the cabinetry all the way around. Great cabinetry, nice furniture. You've got the couch that folds down into the bed here. One-piece molded countertop with dual sinks, nice large oven with 3-burner stove, microwave oven, and a nice 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Entertainment center with DVD, CD player, Bluetooth compatible, and USB port. And again, extra storage. The bathroom in this little guy is great. You've got a nice corner shower, a sink of course, with the medicine cabinet, additional cabinetry here for toiletry items, nice and convenient, walk around bed, overhead cabinets, wardrobes on both sides, power on both sides, and storage underneath the bed. Such a well-equipped little unit. Let's go back outside. Coming on around outside, you've got 4-corner jack stabilization. Again, remember when that gate comes down, that actually has a patio surround. Very hard to find on a unit like this. Pre-wired for a backup camera, all of your connections in one spot, outdoor shower, all of your connections, everything is so convenient. Low point drains, water heaters right here. Again, it just makes it really nice because this thing is so convenient. You can use it for quads, motorcycles, kayaks, all the family gear, whatever you want. If you got any questions on this or any other unit, please feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thanks and have a great day.